Somehow, I genuinely hope that today's video is the shortest video I've ever recorded for this session because, as usual, day 21, every Saturday morning, it's a Buildathon. We just got to do something about what we learned last week. Hopefully, you already applied most of the lessons, but at least on Saturdays, you should just stop watching, stop listening, and do something. I'm going to personally be building this personal system app, right? I announced it yesterday. I'm just going to go in, dive right into the prompts, right? So in my case, it's just going to be another lazy copy paste session of me going in there, hustling, trying to really apply everything that we've been talking about for the past week, right? So the key things we've learned is, number one, make sure to share everything. So as you build inside the 28 Days of Lovable ecosystem, there's a community showcase. You go in here and just submit your builds as you're done, right? Everything that we've been working towards this week should be applied in these prompts, right? You should know how to structure a database. You should know how to build something that's mobile friendly. You should know how to bring in external design firepower, where to go, which libraries to visit for what type of components, right? And then just keep building and focusing on making sure that everything is properly secured, right? We talked about security a lot this week. Do the visual lock-in. Make sure to define your roles if you have multiple. Document everything, forwards and backwards. Again, something we talked about earlier. And then finally, something that we probably haven't touched upon as much in the last step, which is let Lovable become your creative partner, not just co-builder, not just your execution layer, but your ideological layer as well, the ideas person for your startup. Based on all the changes you made, ask it to identify any improvements or any apps that are missing to create a 13 out of 10 user experience, basically. So I'm going to keep this one short. You can copy my prompts, or you can go to the resources and then try to use this personal systems builder, right? Define the system, define the thing that is a persistent problem that you want to track, right? And then just go through the motion, really define the core entities. How do you plan to use it? You know, what's going to make it faster to use? Lock in the environment, right? Do the mobile check, right? Add some feedback, and then generate all the prompts for your application, right? So this way, you're going to end up with your own custom 8 prompts versus following 10 that I gave you in here. Don't watch anymore. Just start building something right now.